So guys, inaantay ko siyang matapos kasi nga siguro we're looking for school supply and national bookstore. I'm planning to buy for him like pencil case, pencil, crayons para magamit niya sa pag-aaral niya. So let's find out. And ito nga, pinalagay niya yung Chicken Joy, as I said earlier, Chicken Joy. One of his favorite, of course, the price. I bought it for him Sunday. The drinks with chicken. Okay na? Okay. Masukot ko. So, siguro susumuhan ko kasi pag siya lang kasi tagalan niya. So, para matapos tayo. Sige, para matapos tayo. Sige. Para matapos. Kasi pupunta pa siguro kami ng National Bookstore kasi nga gusto niya start na siya ng writing. Sulat-sulat na siya. So, para matutunan niya. Okay na. Okay. Chicken Joy, one of his favorite, of course, the price. Chicken Joy and Press. And so, malakas na kasanay siyang kumain ng rice. And FYI, so I'm planning today because today's my day off, so I'm planning to go there in Okada, Manila. Actually, guys, to tell you frankly, it's been a long time I am waiting to visit because I had a lot of friends and they already went there, and I saw in a YouTube channel there's a lot of vlogger, and of course it is very interesting and I was amazed. It's because of the amenities, of course the view, and of course it's really spacious, and if I'm not mistaken 40 hectares, and that is one of the known biggest world-class game casino here, aside from City of Dreams Manila, the Solar, and so on so forth. So let's find out if there is a chance to go there. So me and my kid. See you later.